Hi guys! So this is Myls here once again and welcome to my project. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you my son's favorite ulam. Walang iba kundi fried chicken. Yes, fried chicken. Today, I'm going to share with you my very own crispy fried chicken. First step, gagawa tayo ng breading mix. This breading mix that I will share with you today is super aromatic, ang bango habang niluluto and napaka-flavorful. We will start with half teaspoon of fennel seed or anise, half teaspoon of rosemary, and half teaspoon of peppercorns. Gagrind lang natin siya, and then in a bowl, add 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and then we will add yung grinid nating herbs kanina. We will just mix this all together. And there you go, we've made ourselves our very own breading mix. Now I have here 1 kilogram of chicken. This is pre-marinated with salt and pepper overnight. But if you wanted to know more about the details of how I prepare my chicken before I fry it, I will post the link here or on the description box below. That is why hindi tayo naglagay ng salt kanina sa breading mix. Simply because yung chicken natin is malasa na bago pa natin siya i-coat. So now, this is what we're doing here. Kino-coat natin yung chicken natin ng breading mix na prepare natin earlier. So make sure that all parts are well coated, even the pockets between the lean and the skin. So this procedure will make sure that your chicken is extra crispy kapag fry natin siya mamaya. So lahat ng pockets, pati yung mga loob-loob ng skin, lalagyan natin siya ng breading mix. Now, we're ready to fry our chicken. Now in a pot or in a pan, we will heat our oil at least 2 inches deep to make sure that our chicken are well submerged for deep frying. Now this is my ingenious way of testing kung mainit na yung mantika. Nag-sprinkle ako ng tubig and then aantayin ko na mawala yung sound. Kapag tahimik na, then we can start putting in our chicken. That method I've learned from my lola. So she's been teaching me how to cook as early as 7 years old. Nag-umpisa kami with scrambled egg. I call that perks ng pagiging panganay. So kung panganay ka, maaga kang tinuturuan kung paano maging responsable. Now, let's go back here. Make sure you don't overcrowd your chicken inside the pot. We will cover this and set our fire to medium and cook this for 8 minutes. After, babalikan natin siya and then we will flip it over. We will poke our chicken to make sure na luto siya hanggang sa loob. So yan, makikita nyo na may mga juices pa siya. And then, we will cover this and let this cook for another 8 minutes. Again, in medium fire. After 8 minutes, we will remove the lid and we will let this chicken sit here for another 2 minutes. This process will make the skin extra crispy. We will roll our chicken over sa oil so that all sides are evenly cooked. Mararamdaman niyo siya kung malutong na yung chicken. So habang piniflip over niyo siya sa oil, if that's the case, we can now drain our chicken, remove it from the oil, and then start cooking the remaining batches. Of course, with the same procedure lang din. At this point, I would like to invite you guys to please like this video, and also if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. At para ma-notify din kayo whenever I upload a new video, huwag niyo rin kalimutan i-click yung notification bell. I'm trying my best to upload at least 2 videos for 1 week, so it is important that you get notified. Now, all of our chickens are cooked. We will now proceed with the last step. We will be making our very own homemade gravy. We will start with 1 1/2 cup of lukewarm water. We will dissolve here 1 piece of chicken nor cubes. So, makikita nyo dito kung gaano kadali gumawa ng gravy. These are only the ingredients that we need. Now, we will melt 1 tablespoon of salted butter. And we will add 1/8 cup of flour. We will cook this flour and slightly toast it. You will see here na nag-brown na siya. At this point, we will now add our water and chicken cubes mixture. Slowly, little by little. If you don't have salted butter, you can use unsalted butter, but you have to add a pinch of salt there. We are mixing this para hindi siya mag-form ng lumps. And for our final step, we will sprinkle this with lots of powdered pepper. I think that's about half teaspoon. Diba? Sobrang dali lang gumawa ng gravy. So now that this is all set, we will now serve this with our crispy fried chicken. Please feel free to try this recipe and let me know how it came out. Also, if you wanted me to do other recipes or you have your own recipe that you wanted to be featured in this channel, let me know by commenting down below.